Hello everyone, we have done volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, also understood various advanced outlines, did the practice of the same along with the commonly used phrases. In the last video, members only videos, we have started the volume 4 and today in this session, we will understand the short outlines of these words and phrases, we'll do the practice of the same along with the commonly used phrases related to the word consideration. बहुत commonly use होता है consideration word and then we'll continue with the dictation of transcription number 69, 70 and 71, 3 transcriptions. The speed of the dictation will be 90 words per minute. Let's begin to understand the short outlines of these words and phrases. Respondent. बेसिक आउटलाइन किस तरीके से हम बनाते हैं? रेस्पोंडेंट, ये बेसिक आउटलाइन है. लेट्स मेक इट शॉर्ट, सिंपल. डेंट रिप्रेजेंट करो. डी को हाफ किया है टी के लिए और फाइनल में एन हुक. बिलो दी लाइन बनाइए आउटलाइन को और आउटलाइन से टच होगा. आई रिपीट, इस तरीके से सिंपल, इजी है. डेंट बनाओ, डेंट रिप्रेजेंट करो. बिलो दी लाइन आउटलाइन से टच होगा. नेक्स्ट इज डिफेंडेंट. डिफेंडेंट सिंपल, डी को हाफ लेंथ बनाओ देन फाइनल में एफ हुक बनाओ. बिलो दी लाइन, लाइन से टच होगा. प्रैक्टिस दीज आउटलाइंस एटलीस्ट 1 लाइन और 2 लाइंस, दैट विल बी सफिशिएंट. इन राइटिंग, इन के लिए यही लोगोग्राम होता है. देन राइटिंग, यहाँ इंग है, इसको हम डॉट से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. इन राइटिंग, कंप्लीट राइटिंग वर्ड के लिए इंग डॉट. इन राइटिंग शॉर्ट हो गई आउटलाइन. हैंड राइटिंग, हैंड राइटिंग के लिए क्या लोगोग्राम होता है? सिंपल, इस तरीके से होता है. एन को हाफ करते हैं, थिक करते हैं डी के लिए, अबव द लाइन होता है और राइटिंग आ गया, सिंपल डॉट से रिप्रेजेंट करो. हैंड राइटिंग. आउटलाइन सिंपल है, इजी है, आपने प्रैक्टिस भी की, बट that will not be sufficient because at the time of making these outlines in sentences, in paragraphs, thinking time होता है. उस thinking time को reduce करने के लिए, to get the more perfection, we are doing the practice of these words and phrases in various other ways in members only videos. To join the membership, you can click the join button which is next to the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Let's continue. लार्ज मेजॉरिटी, सिंपल. लार्ज के लिए क्या लोगोग्राम होता है? यहाँ जे की साउंड है, जे स्ट्रोक बनाते हैं अबव द लाइन. मेजॉरिटी में भी यहाँ जे की साउंड है, सिंपल. लार्ज का के लिए लोगोग्राम बनाया, देन मेजॉरिटी के लिए भी जे स्ट्रोक बनाओ, आउटलाइंस को क्लोज बनाओ अबव द लाइन. लार्ज मेजॉरिटी, सिंपल हो गई आउटलाइन. परचेजिंग पावर, पी है, यहाँ भी पी है, सिंपल. 2 पी स्ट्रोक बनाओ, इस तरीके से क्लोज बनाओ. परचेजिंग पावर. After this explanation part, I will give you the dictation of these words along with the commonly used phrases related to the word consideration also. Per capita income, देखिए पर P है, देन कैपिटा, यहाँ K की साउंड है, इनकम में भी यहाँ K की साउंड है, सिंपल. P स्ट्रोक बनाया, कैपिटा के लिए K स्ट्रोक और इनकम में K स्ट्रोक है, इंटरसेक्ट इस तरीके से कीजिए. मैं रिपीट करती हूँ, पर कैपिटा इनकम. इजी, इजी है आउटलाइन. पर कैपिटा इनकम. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पर एनम. देखिए पर आ गया, एनम, यहाँ एन है, सिंपल इंटरसेक्ट करो पी स्ट्रोक और एन स्ट्रोक को. पर एनम. स्पेसिफिकेशन, बेसिक मुझे बताने की नीड नहीं है, सिंपल. स्पेक, सर्कल एस बनाया, पी का स्ट्रोक बनाया. स्पेसिफिकेशन, यहाँ एस की साउंड है, स्पेसिफिकेशन, सर्कल एस बनाया और फाइनल में क्या है? शन साउंड है. इसको हम हुक फॉर्म से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, सर्कल की ऑपोजिट साइड बनाएंगे. मैक्सिमम शॉर्ट आउटलाइंस में इसी तरीके से करते हैं, बिगनिंग का लेते हैं और फाइनल का लेते हैं. स्पेसिफिकेशन. डोंट वरी, आफ्टर दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द डिक्टेशन. ऑन द बजट, सिंपल. ऑन द बजट, बी को हाफ किया है टी के लिए, सिंपल. ऑन द बजट, इस तरीके से क्लोज बनाओ, डिसजॉइन रखना है, क्लोज करना है. ऑन द बजट के लिए, क्लियर. एंड द डिबेट, एंड द डिबेट, डी को हाफ किया है टी के लिए, इस तरीके से क्लोज. And the debate. To get the more quickness in these words, we are doing the practice of these words and phrases in various other ways in members only videos. To join the membership, click the join button. Essential commodities, simple. यहाँ S है, S का स्ट्रोक बनाया, then commodities. Essential commodities, इन दोनों को क्लोज बनाओ, डिसजॉइन रखो. Essential commodities, simple. हेडक्वार्टर था, सिंपल. हे का स्ट्रोक लिया, क्वार्टर्स. के स्ट्रोक के यहाँ वो की साउंड है, के बाद क्वा, के इनिशियल में लार्ज हुक बनाया, डबल किया है के स्ट्रोक को टर के लिए, देन फाइनल में सर्कल एस, सिंपल. बिगनिंग का लिया है और क्वार्टर्स रिप्रेजेंट किया है. हे स्ट्रोक, आई रिपीट, हे स्ट्रोक, देन क्वा, के इनिशियल में लार्ज हुक, डबल किया है स्ट्रोक को और फाइनल में सर्कल एस. हेडक्वार्टर्स के लिए। लास्ट डिकेड, ध्यान से देखिए, लास्ट रिप्रेजेंट किया, डिकेड में सिंपल डी को हाफ किया हुआ है एंड देन इधर ये के की साउंड है, के स्ट्रोक को भी हाफ किया है, लास्ट डिकेड। क्लियर? हिस्ट्री सिंपल, हे स्ट्रोक है, डबल कर दो टर के लिए, हिस्ट्री। कंसिडरेबली, कंसिडर को हम किस तरीके से बनाते हैं, इस तरीके से कंसिडर को, कंसिडरेबली है सिंपल, एल स्ट्रोक बनाओ, डिसजॉइंट रखो कंसिडरेबली वर्ड के लिए, कंसिडरेबली। सुटेबल है सिंपल, सर्कल एस बनाओ, टी स्ट्रोक को डबल कर दो। एज अ रिजल्ट, एज के लिए स्मॉल सर्कल बनाते हैं, अभी तक हम किस तरीके से बना रहे हैं एज अ रिजल्ट को, दिस वे। ठीक है, लेट्स मेक इट शॉर्ट, सर्कल लिया देन एल को हाफ किया टी के लिए, आई रिपीट एज अ रिजल्ट। बहुत शॉर्ट हो गई आउटलाइन, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टेटेड, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टेटेड, आई रिपीट, देखिए एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी में से रे स्ट्रोक लिया, ऑलरेडी स्टेटेड, सर्कल एस बनाया, देन टी को हाफ कर दिया डी के लिए, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टेटेड, रे स्ट्रोक जो है उसको इंटरसेक्ट करना है, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टेटेड। टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन सिंपल, बिगनिंग का टी लिया एंड देन सिडरेशन, सर्कल एस बनाया, फाइनल में शन साउंड को सर्कल की ऑपोजिट साइड बनाया, टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन के लिए। टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन है, यहाँ टी के बाद एन भी है, टेकन है। सपोज टोन वर्ड है, टोन वर्ड में हम इस तरीके से बनाते हैं, एन हुक इस तरीके से होता है, टेकन है एन की साउंड है, सर्कल एस हम इस तरीके से बनाएंगे राइट मोशन से, देन शन साउंड के लिए हुक फॉर्म। क्लियर है? इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो we will practice these outlines in various other ways to get the more quickness. Now I am getting aside, take the screenshot of these words and phrases, do the practice, then I'm going to show you the pick of the phrases related to the word consideration, do the practice of the same and get ready for the dictation also, and then you can take the dictation of transcription number 69, 70 and 71, 3 transcriptions. The speed of the dictation will be 90 words per minute. You don't have to take the dictation of all these transcriptions in one go. Take the dictation of first transcription, translate it, then you can move on to the next one. And for your convenience, I have included the timestamps in the description. For doubts, you can write in comment box and you can like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Start doing the practice. Hope you have done with the practice of these advanced outlines. Now these are the pick of the phrases related to the word consideration. Some phrases will be having more than one outline. I suggest choose the shortest form. Start doing the practice of these phrases also and get ready for the dictation. Let's begin the dictation. Respondent, defendant, in writing, handwriting, large majority, purchasing power, per capita income, per annum, specification, on the budget and the debate, essential commodities, headquarters, last decade, history, considerably, suitable, as a result, as I have already stated. Take into consideration, taken into consideration, active consideration, above all consideration, after careful consideration, basic consideration, careful consideration, carefully consideration, can be taken into consideration, economic consideration, for your consideration, for sympathetic consideration, further consideration, human consideration, has to be taken into consideration, have to be taken into consideration, little consideration, moral consideration, of your consideration, some consideration, special consideration, sympathetic consideration, shall be taken into consideration, should be taken into consideration, take into consideration, taken into consideration, taking into consideration, took into consideration, to be taken into consideration, under the consideration, under active consideration, utmost consideration, very careful consideration, very serious consideration will be taken into consideration, which will be taken into consideration, which may be taken into consideration, which must be taken into consideration. Stop, translate and check from the screen. Get ready for the dictation of transcription number 69. The speed will be 90 words per minute. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I thought I should rise to support the point put forward by the Honorable Mr. Kunzru, but my honorable friend from Hyderabad has said certain things which I had better deal with first. He has attacked more or less the whole system of elections in India. He has talked of indirect election and so on. I am afraid he has gone far beyond the scope of the bill, and I do not think that needs an answer at all. As regards the question of preparing electoral rolls, I think there is ample power vested in the Election Commission to order the preparation of a regular electoral roll if the Election Commission considers it necessary for any extraordinary reasons, such as a large exodus from one place to another and things of that kind. Otherwise, as the honorable member himself said, it is such a vast country and such huge numbers are involved that I think it would be really an unnecessary burden on the resources of the state to launch upon the preparation of electoral rolls every year. The same purpose could be served by revising the electoral rolls every year as per the directions given by the Election Commission as well as the rules laid down for the purpose. In a democracy, one of the prerequisites for its success is vigilance, and I think it would be quite in order to expect the people of various parties to interest themselves in the revision of these electoral rolls. In fact, that is an obligatory task of the citizens, and it only helps to greater awareness and alertness on the part of the different parties. There was another point made by my honorable friend to which I should like to refer. He referred to false personation. I am not going to deny it absolutely. There might have been some false personation, but to say that it was the Congress that resorted to false personation and that all other parties were paragons of virtue and were angels dropped from heaven is simply absurd. That he should have had the boldness to venture such a reckless statement, I should say irresponsible statement, without any proof whatever, was wholly unfair on his part to the Congress, and it is no credit to this august House that one of its members should make such an allegation against the opposition parties. Sir, my purpose is more to appreciate the stand taken by my honorable friend Shri Kunzru. I do not know. It is for the honorable minister to say whether even now, as the clause stands, it would not be open to the election commission to review the order of the chief electoral officer made in appeal against an order of the electoral registration officer. I have an idea that the election commission is supreme in these matters, that even when there is an appeal from the electoral registration officer to the chief electoral officer, and the chief electoral officer passes an order, though it may be final in the ordinary sense, it does not preclude the election commission from revising that order. I would like to be enlightened on this point. If the honorable minister in charge of the bill says that the order in appeal of the chief electoral officer over an order of the electoral registration officer is final and it is not open to the election commission to set it right, then I beg humbly to differ from such a stand, and I think that is a lacuna which should be made up. So I would like the honorable minister to apply his mind to this aspect and see that in no case the supreme authority of the election commission in this matter, which is of vital importance, is in the least abridged or curtailed. I think a slight amendment to clause 23 would set right the whole matter. There is only one other remark which I wish to make before I conclude, and that is with regard to clause 25 on page 8. It enjoins on every local authority an obligation to make available to the electoral registration officer such staff as may be necessary for the performance of any duties in connection with the preparation and revision of electoral rolls. Well, with the knowledge that we have of these local authority may fail to make available to the electoral registration officer the staff that he wants. Now, what is the remedy if the local authority does not meet that obligation, if it does not choose to make available the requisite staff that has not been provided for in the bill? It is open to the honorable minister to devise some means to meet such a contingency, but I think a clause like this would be very helpful. That will be some kind of an inducement to the local authority to provide the staff. That is all that I have got to say, and I will no longer tire the house. Stop, translate, and check. Get ready for the another one. Transcription number 70. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I am obliged to the House for the general support this measure has received. I would like to clear up one or two points. I would begin by saying that this act, when it was passed and as it stands today on the statute book, is intended only to regulate and control industries. Its purpose is not to take over the ownership of industries. For that, we have got other measures and other methods to follow. The limited purpose here is this: wherever industries appear to be going wrong, and wherever, because of the mismanagement or bad management, public interest is affected or production has gone down. In such cases, there is provision for government to take them over for a period and manage them. Now, it has been found in many cases that we have taken over and managed them well. I would like to point out that there are many very good examples where industries which a little while ago were going down have prospered under government management and control, and in this period the government has never used its power indiscriminately. In all these years, 12 undertakings were taken over and then handed back. 7 undertakings are today under the management of the government. One of the undertakings, which is today under government management and which has occasioned this measure, was in a rather bad way when government took it over about 7 years ago, and the government within the initial 5-year period of management improved its finances. Its profits have gone up, its reserves have gone up, the concern has considerably improved. But then it was again thought that it has to be continued under proper management, and government are of the opinion that this management has to continue. If the existing law remains as it is today, there is no course open to the government but to hand it back to the shareholders. This is one of the reasons why this measure has been brought forward before this House, because the law as it stands today does not permit more than one extension of such management. So I think that clears the point which was raised by some of my friends. There is nothing like unlimited extension. This act is not meant for government to virtually take over industries and continue indefinitely in control of them. I am in sympathy with some of the views expressed. It is true that we should take responsibilities which we should be able to discharge well, and I think even the most critical members will be satisfied that we have taken such responsibilities very selectively and discharged them well. It may be that there are certain concerns which were really beyond redemption, yet we have been making a sort of effort, and that effort is well worth it. Now, take the case of India Electric Works. Even as a working concern, it is still in bad shape. The government were compelled to take it over because otherwise it had to close down. and a large number of workers were to be thrown out of employment. That was one of the reasons why we took it over. But then we cannot go on taking indefinitely such responsibilities at the cost of the taxpayers' money. There is a limit to it. And what is the limit to such cases? My only intention is that, to the best of its capacity, whatever is possible, the government should try to bring about improvements, and this provision of one extension alone should not stand in the way. Therefore, the amending bill gives powers to the government to extend control by periods of 2 years at a time, but by not more than 10 years in all after the expiry of the initial period of 5 years. In that period, it is supposed that the concern would be set in order. That is the intention. I am sure that this amendment will be helpful both to the private industry as well as to whatever the government does in such cases. It is desirable in every way. The honorable member referred to various companies which were mismanaged. I know of many cases, but my own and the government's policy is that they should take responsibility in such matters after careful scrutiny and examination, and that meets the point raised by some other friends too. We should not take over such responsibilities indiscriminately. We are careful, and once a responsibility is taken, the intention is to perform it well. That is why it is not possible to take over many more concerns. Yet it may be desirable, despite the limitations of the government, to take over the control and management of concerns in the country's interests, and where the public interest is involved, the government cannot simply plead that its hands are full. We cannot shirk that responsibility when public interest is involved. I can assure the House that we shall not hesitate to serve the public interest. Stop, translate, and check. Get ready for the another one. Transcription number 71. I may draw the attention of the House to a special feature of the budget, and it is this: with all the heavy expenditure on defense to the tune of 30%, the developmental activity has not been slowed down. Today, we are spending about 19% on the different development activities. But in this respect, I would like to submit that the allocation for education in the budget continues to be at 2 to 3%. I think education is a very important subject as it affects the minds of our younger generation, and it gives us the necessary technical personnel who are, so to say, the hands and feet of our development. What we find here is that instead of making an increase in this particular direction on education, we are keeping it at the same level. I would submit that the finance minister should give his due consideration for increasing the budget on education. Now I turn to the performance and the working of the ministries. I would like to say something first about the work that the Planning Commission is doing. Of course, the Planning Commission is doing an excellent work. It is at present preparing the fourth 5 year plan. Not only that, it is preparing a perspective plan for a number of years. It is also giving a vision. It is also suggesting certain priorities insofar as the progress of our country is concerned. The Planning Commission is also carrying out different kinds of studies and researches. But at the same time, what I feel is that the Commission must apply itself also to the weaker sections of the society, namely the landless laborers, the artisans, and those who are living in the rural areas. It must also apply itself as to how the weaker areas or the underdeveloped areas in our country can be helped. I know that the Planning Commission has prepared certain indicators and has asked the state governments to show which are the regions which are underdeveloped according to the indicators, but that much of attention will not do. We have to give more attention because if such areas continue, so in the different states in our country, it will hamper the general progress of the country. From the questions that are asked in this house, the minister will know the anxiety amongst the members. So I would suggest for the consideration of the minister that a special wing be established in the Planning Commission to study and prepare schemes for such regions. Today, only 7 states have informed as per indicators about these regions, and even then, I would submit that a special wing may be constituted in the Planning Commission to study and prepare schemes for such regions. This wing should not merely prepare schemes, but it must at the same time also watch the implementation of the schemes that are meant for such regions. The Planning Commission must direct that a special provision be made and priority given to all the schemes for such regions. The economic development of such a region depends upon the building up of economic overheads in that particular region, and you will find, as I have given certain figures, that in so far as Marathwada area is concerned, there is lack of such economic overheads. Therefore, industries are not coming up, and since industries are not coming up, other developments are also falling short. So, I would request that consideration may be given to constituting a special wing in the Planning Commission for the underdeveloped areas. Coming to the Ministry of Education, what I find is that the Ministry of Education has been going after too many things. It is going after too many changes and also too many experimentations. I think the time has come when we should stop this policy of going after too many changes and too many experimentations in the field of education. It is because of this that we have not been able to achieve, after 18 years of freedom, a common pattern throughout the country. I think a plea has already been made by a lady member about the pattern. Different patterns exist in different states of our country. One does not know what has happened to the educational objectives that have been incorporated in the different reports with regard to primary education, secondary education, and college education. Nobody has tried to peruse as to how far the educational objectives that have been incorporated in these reports have been put through in the different states. As far as I know, basic education is not being worked in the spirit in which it ought to be, and there are different misconceptions about it. So, it should be seen by the Education Ministry that instead of going after too many changes and too many experimentations, they concentrate and see that at least a common pattern of education at the primary level, the secondary level, and the college level is evolved throughout the country. Stop, translate, and check. Thank you.